Welcome to another episode of Legal Insights with Siam Center Law Group. Today, we will discuss the process of applying for permission to submit testimony in civil cases in Thailand, a crucial step that defendants must follow. Once a defendant receives a civil suit, they are required to submit their testimony to the court within 15 days. Failing to do so will result in losing the right to present their case under the law. However, there is an opportunity for defendants who miss the deadline to request permission to submit their testimony. Let's explore the important criteria for this application. The first criterion, as stated in Section 199 of the Civil Procedure Code, is that the defendant must inform the judge at the earliest opportunity about their intention to submit an affidavit. Failure to do so may result in the immediate loss of the right to submit testimony. The second criterion is that the defendant's failure to submit testimony should not be intentionally evasive or misleading. For instance, if the defendant has changed their address without updating it with the government, or if someone else received the summons and complaint on their behalf without notifying the defendant. The third criterion requires the defendant to demonstrate reasonable grounds for submitting testimony, even if the deadline has expired. This could include cases involving significant financial capital, or those that impact the interests of the majority. It is essential to understand that requesting permission to submit testimony is a one-time opportunity. Once the court grants permission, the defendant must submit their testimony during the designated appointment. There is no provision to request permission for a second submission. Adhering to these criteria is crucial for defendants who miss the initial deadline to present their case effectively and ensure a fair legal proceeding. If you find yourself in such a situation, seeking professional legal advice and representation is highly recommended. The experienced team of lawyers at Siam Center Law Group can guide you through the process and help present your case persuasively. That concludes our discussion on the application for permission to submit testimony in civil cases in Thailand. For expert legal assistance, reach out to Siam Center Law Group. Our dedicated team is here to provide the support you need for a fair and just legal process.